I got it.
Got it?
So my turn.
Butterflies in the bubble?
So the purse, not inside the purse, but the very outside pocket, next to my phone.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure that. I think it's
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you see butterflies on your bubbles? Okay, blow
Interesting to try.
big,
It's back
slow,
to the
long
idea
bubble and look at it. A little bit lower, baby.
Not sophisticated enough to be able to taste it.
Hold the wand a little bit lower and blow long and slow. A little bit lower.
Then I can smell it.
I can do it.
Oh, yes, you can. You're talented. I know you are.
Specific temperature.
For that
Like
to-
almost like maybe putting ice cubes in a cup.
Right.
Do you want me to help?
Callan, then.
How about I help?
I don't like it. That's what he was saying. They come in contact with bacon. And, yeah.
He has said since
But
that
in the
day,
fact that he
I
didn't,
think I was a terrorist.
and the fact that he didn't say that it was bacon.
You got the
The
hiccups?
fact that he said it was, that he was allergic to tomatoes.
Savannah, you got the hiccups?
Tomatoes, he liked-
Well, maybe he was allergic to
No,
tomatoes.
it was just strange. The whole thing was just off. Just off.
You should report it. That's right.
Okay, good.
Feel
That's
it in your
that's
gut.
that's emotional. That's a
How is this?
Look.
I can do
Yeah,
it.
you can.
yeah.
Do you want help? Here. Okay, tell you what. You hold this. And you hold this. Don't blow yet. Okay, look up a little bit. I'll blow. There you go. Good job.
My turn.
A little bit slower. Your turn, your turn, your turn. The hiccups crack me up. You are